Hey friends, happy Friday evening. It is Melissa with Junk and Craft Treasures on the Essential Stencil page. Guys, the fall collection launched today. How many of y'all got the bundles? How many of y'all got individual stencils? Let us know down in the comments below. And if you're watching right now, you're most likely on replay. So hashtag replay, let us know that you're here, guys. As always, my code CRAFTTREASURES, CRAFTTREASURES, saves at checkout, guys. So come on in. We're going to be working with a fun project tonight. I know, I think it is adorable. So if you're just popping on, A Time to Gather is what we are working on tonight. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. I am still out of my other white paint, guys, so I am gonna be using some apple barrel paint tonight. And so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So we're just getting this prepped and ready to go. So if you are new to stenciling like Jamie, you just wanna do whatever you want for your background of your surface. Okay, that is crazy. All right, guys, this is almost completely dry. I'm just going to do one more coat real quick. And like I said, it's a glossy tonight that I'm using. So we got a little sheen here going on. Need a little more white paint. So yeah, you can use whatever kind of paint you want. Y'all, that was so funny. And your stenciling as well, because we are going to stencil in some very inexpensive craft paints tonight. So I have a Craft Smart in this color of a brown, and then I have some Deco Art, which is pretty close, but they're still different. And that one is milk chocolate. And then I have a honey brown, because like I said, I want to kind of mix my browns. So can y'all see the difference in those browns? I didn't have any brown paint, y'all, so I did go get some. So can y'all see the difference in that? Let's put this down. And this is a 12 by 12. Remember, my surface is a little bit smaller than the 12 by 12. So I'm just going to put it on here how I want it to fit. Okay, so let's get out all of our colors. So again, this one is honey brown. This one is raw sienna. And it's pretty close, but you can tell it's got a different color to it. It's got a little more red tones in it, I would say. And then this one is milk chocolate. And then we'll grab these. I get it. All right, so we'll do that for sure. Did anybody answer me on the mushrooms with the green? Is that what we're gonna do? So here is our fun color palette for all of the things. Y'all, what color do we want to do A Time to Gather? I didn't even think about that. I was all thinking about acorns and leaves. One more. It's a darker brown. We could do the, I know I just put it in two places, but it didn't come out real well and I didn't want to get it on that. All right, so let's just go ahead and get our squirrel. I use a swirling motion just to kind of give him a multicolor look. And then we'll kind of just take it and blend it together like that. And I'm going to mix some of my other dark brown in there. All right, got our tree. And I'm just going to mix it with that color again and just make it a little bit darker. And again, guys, you can do whatever color scheme works easiest for you. Just make sure your brush looks dry, guys. No wet paint. And also, when you start stenciling, use a lighter pressure. And then as you continue to stencil, you can use a harder pressure, okay? And then we'll add that little gold, and we might even do some gold on the acorns too, guys. There's no wrong way to do this. We could do the whole thing in just browns if we wanted to, but I'm gonna have a little pop of color in there. Let's grab, so I'm gonna take a little bit of white. I'm gonna take a little bit of my black, actually a lot. Kind of get that gray. And okay. And what else was I going to do in black? Oh, I was going to do the eyes. Eyes. So I have a dome brush, and I'm just going to do the eye and the whiskers. And then I'm going to add a dot to the eye as well. Let's start with color do I want to start with? Let's use this brush. I know it's like the anticipation of what colors do I want to do where. So we're going to start with this one. And again, guys, okay, so we've got that down. And then I'm going to come over here to my red. Offload my red. And we're going to fill in. I can. Okay. How's that? Is that good? Y'all see that? I think that's good. I think that's good. Are y'all ready for the reveal? Are y'all ready for the reveal? So this is what it looks like on our of it. So cute. All right, we're gonna set this to the side. All right, let's do another, I don't want to say quick project because y'all I'm slow tonight, but I want to show y'all how pretty these are right here. I was like, I knew that didn't look right. So we're gonna use this on the back, and then we're gonna use this 3-pack. This 3-pack, we're gonna use one of them from here. Get that out of the inside. So I do have some green. We are going to tone down this orange. What color brown? Let's mix my browns. Why not, right? But I just want to show you how cute. Who's ready? Who's ready? Okay. Look how pretty that pattern is. It is so pretty. All right, so that's our back side. And then for the front side, we have so many options we could do, but we're gonna do this one right here. And we could do green pumpkins, yellow pumpkins, bright orange pumpkins, multicolored pumpkins. We can do whatever color we want, but I'm just sticking with my neutrals today. Yeah, so many ideas with that. I love it. Actually, and then next, we have, okay, so we have our cute little bird. How cute is that, y'all? That was so cute. We have our bird, and then we have our pumpkin on that side. And what I'm gonna do on this, because y'all know me, I gotta do my sides sometimes. So I'm gonna come through and I'm gonna frame this in. Kind of come over it just a little bit. Okay. So we went from a stark white without any distressing to a distress, guys. So I just wanted to show y'all the difference that just a little bit of painting and just some little finer details can totally change the look of your project. So that's all I have for y'all for tonight. And I will see y'all next Friday for the last day of July before we head into August, y'all. Crazy that it is right around the corner. So I'll see y'all next Friday at 7. And y'all have a blessed weekend and a great week next week. Bye, guys.